let's have multiple choice 32. So, pinapakompute sa atin magkano daw yung taxable income. So, ano-ano yung sasama natin? Professional income, 540,000 plus 60,000 na withholding tax, no? Kasi hindi pwedeng nakadeduct na agad yung withholding tax. So, kasama yon. Rental income na 47,500 pero i-gross mo, no? So, divided by 95% yon, so 50,000. Rewards as BIR informer, 30,000, kasama po yun sa taxable income. Pati yung wagering gains, 50,000. Baka nag-iisip ano yung wagering gains? Yung po yung parang nakipagpustahan ka, nanalo ka, no? So income 'yon, no? Though wagering ano 'yon, illegal gambling, no? Pero sa batas po, all income whether legal or illegal are taxable. So that explains why yung kickbacks ay taxable pa rin, no? Sama 'yan, 40,000. Now, for expenses, ang i-deduct lang po natin ay 325,000. So, ba't hindi natin i-deduct yung household expenses? Kasi po, wala po tayong ganong deduction. No? Business expenses po i-deduct. Pero household expenses, hindi po. Premium payment on health insurance is tax exempt. Facilitation fees paid to government agencies, in short, padulas. Sa batas po, pag po illegal yung expenses, hindi po yan tax deductible. Tapos yung ibang item pa dito, interest income on time deposit net, yan po ay subject to final tax, no? Actually exempt siya. And then dividend income from domestic corporation, 75,000 subject to final tax pa din siya kasi passive income ito. So yan lang po. Kaya ang ating taxable income is 445,000.